Hi, so this is my March Stitch Fix. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, go to stitchfix.com. You fill out a survey, you are sent 5 items, and the styling service is one that you can choose how often you receive a box. It costs $20 for the stylist. Your shipping to you and returns are free. You're given this envelope that you can throw everything in, send it back. It's very easy and simple. You get a stylist card that shows you how to style the items. You get a note from your stylist and the price sheet. And it's a really fun way to find new items for your wardrobe, especially if you don't like to go in and try things on in a dressing room, which I don't. So I'm going to jump in. The first thing in my box, I've opened it already. This is some blocked crop performance leggings from Alala, and they are in a size small. You can see like the knees right here, there's a pinhole pattern so you can see through to your skin, but it looks like there's one all the way down, also the length of the leg, so that you could possibly see through to your underwear, which would be kind of not great. Yep, you can. And then there's also this metal nameplate on the back, and I do Pilates, so I would be on my back or, you know, lying down, and I might feel that. So I don't know how these are going to work for me, but I will try them on. Next is from Britton. It's the Levie short sleeve front knit top in olive. It's a size extra small. $34, and I love this color, and it's got that knot detail in the front. There we go. And I don't think I have any tops with that knot detail, being as petite as I am, and I carry my weight in my middle, so that might be a problem for me. It might not look very flattering, but we'll see. Then next is the Lejla cotton blend cardigan in coral. It's $54. It's by Evolution by Cyrus. It's this beautiful color, short sleeve. It's got this ribbing detail around the sleeves and around the bottom. No pockets. It's just kind of a really pretty spring summertime cardigan. I like that. We'll have to see how that fits. Then I'd requested a navy blazer, a particular one that I had seen on someone else's Stitch Fix, and she couldn't find it, so she sent this navy one by Tart. It's the Anahi French terry blazer in navy. It's $98. It's pretty expensive for a knit blazer. It's unlined. Let's see, it doesn't have pockets. It's got shoulder pads, pretty beefy shoulder pads, and you can see they're even the stitching here, they're kind of outlined. But I like the tailoring in the back. If you can see the lines there, and it looks like 3/4 length sleeve with some ruching around. So we'll see how this looks. Could be cute. It's pretty expensive, but it could be cute. And then the last thing is a pattern, which I normally don't go for patterns, and I don't know what I think of this one. It's Leota Jemima Faux wrap knit dress. It's a small petite. It says navy. It's $88. It's got this tie around it, and it's this wrap dress. I like that it's short sleeve, and it looks like a good length. And let's make sure it is machine washable. Yes, it is. So that's good. I'm going to go try this on, and I'll see you in a minute. Hi. Okay, so here are the leggings and the t-shirt. The shoes are from my last Stitch Fix. They're Toms. These are really comfortable, these leggings. They're cute. I like the knee detail with the little holes in it, but I was right. It goes all the way up. I put on some nude colored panties so you wouldn't be able to see, but I could even see my nail polish through the little dots that are along the sides of the leggings. So that's a bit much for me. And then also I've got that little plate right on my hip in the back, the little metal plate. So I don't think that I will be interested in these leggings because of those two details. The top is really comfortable. It's really light and thin. It's cotton. It's a beautiful color. I like the detail. I did try it on with some jeans and it doesn't look as good with jeans. It looks pretty good with the leggings, but with jeans, it looks too long. I look very sort of short and boxy, but it looks cute with these leggings, so I'm kind of rethinking it. But there's this, and I'll be back to show you the dress and the sweater and the blazer. All right, so here is the Jemima faux wrap knit dress. I think that I love this. I never would have picked it up off the rack because I'm not really a pattern person. I much prefer solids. Being petite size, patterns tend to overwhelm me, and I just think that my complexion looks better in solids. But this is beautiful. I really like this. It looks much better on than it did just holding it up and looking at the pattern. I love the short sleeves. I have a couple of dresses that are sleeveless, and I really like to have this short sleeves. The faux wrap is very secure. I don't feel like I'm going to need to pin it or tape it. It's the perfect length for me. It is a small petite. It has this tie here that I just tied in a knot, and it's very simple, feels really comfortable. I think it'll be great for spring and summer, just to throw it on when I need a nice little dress to go out. So now I'm going to try on the cardigan. I love this color, and let's see how it looks. This is a size extra small, but it feels really big. Okay, I think it's kind of boxy. What do you think? I don't think it's flattering. I think it's got a really big boxy. It's really lightweight. It feels really good. If you're a tall person, I think this would be beautiful on you, but for me, I think it's too boxy. So going to try on the last item, and it's the navy blazer. And it's kind of a light to medium weight knit fabric. Fits me well. I don't like the big shoulder pads though. And the silhouette's kind of nice. It nips in. Oh, I didn't realize it had pockets. Ooh, that's great. Nips in at the waist. I don't know how it would look with this dress, but I don't like this right here where you can see the stitching outlining the shoulder pad. That I'm not a fan of, but that's what that looks like. I like the length of the sleeves. It feels really comfortable. You'll have to let me know what you think about this one. I'm so happy it has pockets. Kind of changes things, but I don't like the shoulder pad. So let me know what it looks like to you, and I will finish up and get back to you in just a minute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love the wrap dress. I think it's the only thing I'm going to be getting from this particular box. Let me know if you think that I should consider getting one of the other items. And thank you so much for spending some time with me. Remember, be kind, be grateful, and be brave, and I will see you soon.